Alright, that's all I wanted to do today, is get this boat roughly cleaned up and find a place for it to sit over the project's existence. So the ultimate goal for this is to do a light refurbishing of the boat, make it look nice and clean and new with paint and some hardware, and see if I can sell it for at least what I put into it, possibly make a profit. So I will tally up the total cost of the boat at the end of each video in this series and what I did that day and add to the total. Anyways, you'll see on the screen at the end, and we'll see where we sit and what we can sell it for. It's just turned autumn here in New England, so it's not the time to sell anything, but it's a good opportunity to work when it's not sweltering hot in the summer. Store the boat, sell it in the spring. We'll see what happens, but I invite you to follow along if you're interested in this sort of thing. And you know, I film all my mistakes too, so you know, watch along. Any suggestions would be gladly taken. I have no problem with constructive criticism. That said, hop on board and we'll see you in the next one.